Hi, this is the third part of the mini series on converting my car from an automatic to a manual transmission. And I thought I'd share what I've learned so far and how I'm going along. I've acquired a few more parts. Over here, this is my the clutch arm. I had to buy a new clutch arm. Those things are, I thought $100 was expensive, but they're around $150 for a stupid clutch arm. The other thing I got was right there, the clutch master cylinder. I would highly recommend using a brand new one. So I was having some issues. With finding where the holes were drilled, where the actual clutch is supposed to go, and a little detective work, and I was able to find it. So they are difficult, but they're not impossible to find. I'll try to point this out. Okay, so if you can see that one there, and then let me move the can right there. That one there. That's the three. The top one from here to the edge of the there's a drain. This drain hose here and this edge is 3 inches. So from this top piece here to this where the fiberglass comes over is 3 inches. So if you measure over, you should be able to at least find where the clutch is the pedal's supposed to be. So that was real handy to figure out that. After I pulled the battery and cleaned up the firewall, it wasn't too difficult. So now I'm going to work on drilling some holes, drilling the pilot holes for the clutch. I still have a couple components I need to get. The one component is on the master cylinder. There's the hydraulic line that goes from the master cylinder to the slave cylinder on the bell housing. They want ridiculous money for that thing. Everybody wants like $100 or $120, $130 for a little hydraulic line. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to see if I can't build one. The next thing I really need is between the master cylinder and the firewall, there is a spacer that goes in here, and I don't have one. So I've seen those, and those are around $20 or so for those things. Initially, I thought about building my own, but for $20, I think I can just get one and be done with it. So, and yes, that is my factory service manual, so I can try to. That seems to help. So otherwise, yeah, it's slowly coming along. The car is, it's going to take some time to get this done, but it will get done. Anyway, more later on. Bye.